All our children essentially were out of the house, so we didn't need the big house, and I didn't need all the overhead and the work associated with a big home and a big lot. There were several reasons why I was attracted to this community. One was within our circle of our existing community, so we would not have to change doctors or lose key friends. And we were familiar with the area, and we really liked the Cascade area. We've never lived anywhere as long as we've lived in this area before. The size of the community with 21 homes was kind of neat and ideal, and I liked the way it was laid out. It's compact enough, but there's enough space between homes. I think there's been a lot of thought put into how do we best put together a grouping of homes, but make it so that it's very welcoming and warm. And I think we have that here.